Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download file without the app Terabox. Terabox is a cloud storage service that lets you store and share the file online. You can also download file directly using a web browser without installing the app. Now let's see how to download from Terabox without using the app. On your phone or computer, open a web browser like Chrome, Safari or Firefox. Paste or click the Terabox file link your device or see the link will open the Terabox website on your browser. If the file is private, Terabox may ask you to log in. You can log in using your email, Google or Facebook account. You may see a message asking you to download the app. Look carefully and choose download in browser, web download or continue in browser. After that, click on the download button. The file will start downloading directly to your phone or computer. Once the download is complete, go to the download folder and open the file. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.